not going to answer that. No way! It's Olaf! He won't stop ringing. He thinks he did such a great job with our wedding that he wants to plan our honeymoon as well. Do not answer that phone. Look at these photos from our wedding day. Our wedding day was a disaster, and I think we both deserve a nice, peaceful, Olaf-free honeymoon. Agreed. Anyway, you don't have to worry. I told him we're just booking a room at a hotel in the city, so he has no idea we're actually heading to the sunny Caribbean. Ha ha ha. Good one. Hopefully that's the last we see of that little guy for a while. Why won't those guys answer my calls? And why did Barbie tell me that she was staying in the city for her honeymoon when she's clearly heading to the airport? Unless maybe they were both so happy with the way I planned their wedding day that they felt bad to ask me to plan their honeymoon as well. That must be it. It's the only thing that makes sense. They're such nice people. I'll just reorganize their honeymoon for them. Make it a nice surprise. Driver, do not lose that car in front of you. The one that says just married. They're very important people. Now to take care of those plans. Hello, best ever honeymoon holidays. Christy speaking. Hi, Christy. My name is Olaf, and I'm calling on behalf of Ken and Barbie Carson. I need to make a few changes to their travel plans. Good morning, Olaf. Unfortunately, I will need to speak to Ken or Barbie before making any changes to their trip. Excuse me? Do you know who you're talking to? I'm Olaf, the wedding planner, chicken shop owner, hairdresser extraordinaire, and runner-up in Mr. Snowman 2014. And I know for a fact they want me to personally handle their itinerary. Do I need to speak to your supervisor? I'm very sorry, sir. How can I help you? That's better. Okay, now I need you to get me on the same flight as Barbie to Cars and Beans. But sir, it's not cars and... Please don't interrupt me and cancel all of their activities. I'll be taking care of them personally. Caribbean, here we come. You buckled in? Ready to go. We're really doing this, Ken. I'm so excited. Can't wait to hit those beaches. Hey, Ken. That guy a few rows back. Does he look a little bit familiar? Yes, I was going to say the same thing. I'm sure I've seen that face recently. Let's keep our distance from him. Sunny Caribbean. Let's get our luggage quickly, get to the hotel, and then hit those beaches. Hold on. That guy has our name. I didn't ask for a chauffeur. Hello, mister. That's my name you've got there. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Carson. Welcome to Cars and Beans. Huh? My name is Olaf Fu, and I'll be taking you to your hotel. Thank you. Have we met? I don't believe so, sir. Let me get your luggage and I'll meet you in my car. Can't seem to see their suitcase. Smith, Jamison, Kelly. This is taking too long. Dawson. That'll do. Just erase this name and Carson. Perfect. Now to give these two the time of their lives. Okay guys, welcome to your hotel. I'm sure this isn't the hotel we booked. We asked for a 5-star hotel. Kenny boy, I'm pretty sure you'll find this hotel is 5-star. I know it was when I visited 35 years ago. Please call me if you need anything. Bye for now. Ken, are you sure you didn't make a mistake? Barbie, there's no way in the world I'd ask to stay at the Travel Inn. Welcome, welcome. You two must be the Carsons. My name is Olafia. Yes, that's us. So, do we have a booking here? Oh yes, you've come to the right place. This is the finest hotel in the city. And because you seem to be very nice people, I'm going to give you guys the penthouse suite. Oh, well, alright. That sounds very nice. Thank you. No problem. Enjoy your stay, and if there's anything I can do for you, please, just ask for Olafia. Geez, that guy looks familiar. I just can't remember where I might have seen him. And I can't believe you booked this dump, Ken. Come on, let's get our swim gear on and head to the beach. Barbie, did you check that everything was packed properly before we left? Yes, Ken, I checked twice. Why? I'm pretty sure these don't belong to me. Oh, actually, I was wondering where my swimsuit was. It's like we have someone else's bag. But that couldn't happen. Let's go. We'll stop by the shops on our way to the beach. Ken, look! Boat cruises. What do you think? Perfect. We can check out the sights. Let's ask this guy. Ciao, Barbie and Ken. My name is Ola Fresco. Can I interest you in a boat ride? Yes, we'd love to, but how did you know our names? Pardon? How did you know our names? Sorry, I'm finding it hard to hear you. Can you please repeat that? Never mind. 2 tickets, please. 2 tickets coming up. This way, please. How are you guys doing back there? Fine, thank you. Ken, I don't want to repeat myself, but that guy also looks a little familiar. Okay, let's get this thing moving a bit faster. Maybe that nose is common around these areas. Anyway, let's just enjoy this. Whoa, buddy, I think you're going a little too fast now. Nonsense, I've got this under control. This is more like it. Isn't this great, guys? The wind in your hair, the smell of that ocean. Guys, I think I'm going to kill Ola Fresco. You can, right after I do. Ken, I think I'm just going to lie down for a while. Okay, I'm just going for a walk. See you soon. Hello, ma'am. My name is Olafoyo, and I was wondering if you'd like me to put some suntan lotion on you. You can never be too careful in this sun. Oh, yes please. I forgot to bring mine. No problem. It will be my pleasure. Let's start with your back. Now, where did I put that lotion? Baby oil. This ought to do it. A little bit here, a little bit there. Hi, Barbie. Sorry I took so long. I was talking to some people. Barbie, what happened? What do you mean, what happened? What's wrong with... cooked. I'm gonna kill that olive oil. You are leaving us? But you've only been here for the day. Let's just say we haven't had the best time. Nothing has gone right for... Hey, I've just figured out how you look like. Olaf, is that you? I do not know what you are talking about. You must be mistaken. Ken, get him! Okay, stop it! I give up! Our wedding was a disaster and now you've managed to ruin our honeymoon. Say your prayers, little man. No, sorry. Hey, you wouldn't hit the guy with glasses, would you?